Kababo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For this vlog guys, nakikita nyo ba yung karatula natin? Sabi niya, Takomuh, ibig sabihin sa Tagalog, ang Takomuh. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bulaon, San Fernando, Pampanga, and we are invited to check out this food hub. So if you notice on our table, grabe.
We serve takoyakis, pizza, sushi.
The dishes keeps coming, and aside from yung mga single orders nila dito, meron din sila mga party trays. So yeah, I'm excited to taste this one. Let's talk to Sir George muna para malaman natin yung mga information.
So tara, let's go!
So kasama na natin ngayon si Sir George. Siyang chef in charge dito. So again, thanks Sir George for inviting us. And napakagaling naman ng pangalan ng business mo, Sir Takomuh.
Hello po, we're in Pampanga viewers.
Yes! So on our table, sir, how do we categorize our menu? So parang ang dami natin selection dito.
Hindi siya pangkaraniwan, let's say, especially our pizza. We have sushi pizza, pizza a la carbonara, white sauce,
yes,
pulled pork pizza,
pulled pork
barbecue
pizza.
sauce,
Oh wow!
then Mexican pizza.
Mexican pizza.
We have quesadillas, pizza.
So that's Mexican,
yeah,
Italian,
then Japanese.
Japanese. For your Japanese, sir, medyo naging interested ako, no? We have takoyaki, sushi. Aside from this, ano yung mga dishes na wala dito, sir?
Meron kaming ramen, udon, marami pa, iba-iba pang choices. Pero mapapansin yung ating sushi is more on deep fried. Hindi mo na kailangan ng wasabi, toyo, all in one na.
Parang on the go, pwede mo na kainin sa daan, hindi siya messy. Ano yung must try sa mga Japanese natin, sir?
Best seller ko is crunchy roll.
Crunchy roll, okay. So tingnan natin, no, sir? So guys, this is the crunchy roll. Let me taste this. Siyempre, alisin natin yung face mask bago kumain, no, sir? So yung on top natin, sir, these are?
Crab salad. Then shrimp tempura inside.
While I'm tasting this, no, would you like to share paano yung order dito? Ano yung delivery coverage natin dito sa Pampanga?
Around Bulaon and Del Carmen, free of charge. Basta minimum of 300. Then outside Del Carmen and Bulaon, minimum 500. Then additional charge.
Additional charges.
Mura lang naman yung charge.
And then for our party trays, sir, ano yung mga ulam ba yun?
They can request anything they want.
Wow.
Then magpo-posting na lang naman.
Yes. Alright. Grabe, sir. Tingnan din natin, sir. Ano yung favorite mo dyan?
Takoyaki rin. Travel po.
So one of the best seller nila sa mga takoyaki is yung crab and corn. So tikman natin. Sarap.
A little bit of disclaimer. This is not the usual table setting natin. So they are kind enough to actually prepare a lot of food for us. Pero dito sa side, ayan. So if you notice, meron tayong mga tables and chairs dito. So they prepared this one. If you want to dine in and if you want to take out naman, of course, pwede rin naman yan. Thank you, Sir George, for inviting us. Again, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, and if you are near this area, Bulaon area, Kalulut or Del Carmen, guys, you gotta check out Takomuh Food Hub. So again, thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery,
Peace out.